Hi again, everybody. It's Rhonda, and this morning we are going to create a seamless pattern using Canva. All right, this is pretty easy to do, so I'm going to just jump right in. And in this video, we're just going to do a floral pattern. Okay, so I have a square canvas up here, a blank one. I did it 3000 by 3000 pixels. And I brought up watercolor flowers over here on my menu. And I am just going to look through here real quick. And I am just going to grab some watercolor style flowers that I think will look good together. And we are just going to slap a few of them into the design. I don't think I want the pink one. I think I'm going to stick with more of a neutral color palette here with the orange and the tan and white. And I'm just going to look through and find ones I like. And maybe this one. And then maybe, if I can find a few. Here we go. That's a little different. Grab that. And I might, there we go. That one's a little different. We'll grab that one. And then some greenery, some leaves. We'll want those. Let's see what this has for us. And you want some little things that you can fill in. Let's grab this one. And maybe this one. Okay, that should be enough for now, right? And the way you do this in Canva is pretty simple. Let's move some of these things off out of the way here. All right, and you grab the first piece, then you resize it to where you want it, and we're going to work on the edges first, okay? So we're going to take this one and we are going to slide it up until you get to the middle of the image, and you can tell you're at the middle because you will get the purple line. It will like snap into place. Okay, once you do that, you are going to copy this and you're going to bring it down directly straight down, and you are going to snap it until it snaps to the center of the image right there. And you want to make sure that these are perfectly aligned. You see that? We have the lines coming down to show us that that is in alignment. Then we'll take our next one and we'll do the same thing. Move these out of the way. And we will duplicate that and we will drag it across until it is directly across and at the center. Okay? And we will keep doing this until we have our edges filled however we want them. Let's move this one till it snaps at center. There we go. Duplicate straight up. And sometimes it might take you a second to get it completely in line the way you want it. There we go. And just go up from there. And now you are at center. Now once you have them in place, you can grab them both holding your shift key, and then you can move them if you want to, adjust the way they come across You can do that as long as you have them both selected and moving them in tandem. Okay, so I think I like that there, and I'm going to group those two together. So now I can't move that one without the other. I'm going to come over here and do the same, I think, with these. I'm going to group those together, and we will group these two together so that we can't accidentally move one without the other. Okay, while we finish doing the rest of our design, the rest of our page. Okay, so we've got that one. We're going to duplicate it, and we are going to go straight up until it snaps at the center and gives you that purple line across there. Now we're going to grab them both. I'm going to group them and move that around a little bit. Okay, now we've got this one. Let's make this one a little bigger. And snap him. There he goes, right there at center. Duplicate. Bring it straight across. Snaps in center. And let's try and get that lined back up again with that other one. And it might help if you bring your layer panel up so you know what you are selecting, so you can move things out of the way. There we go. And that's what I like to do. I like to move this out of the way so I know I am lining up where I need to be. Let's try it this way. It just doesn't seem to want to give me, there we go, give me those lines that show me that I am lined up perfectly. Every now and then, there we go. Oh, and I move that. Okay, let's grab those, group them together, and now we can move them together like that. All right, now we can move that one up out of the way. Now that they're locked in together, you can move them around so that you can place your pieces in the middle and move those around just like this. All right, I am going to ungroup these. They're just being crazy, trying to grab all these little leaves. Just be careful that you're not grabbing and moving the flowers that you've put on the edge and already put them in position, okay? And we're going to move some of these little leaves all around. In fact, some of these leaves, I might do this. Okay. Duplicate. Bring that leaf straight up. It snaps at middle. Okay. And then we can put these all over the place, and I'm going to duplicate some of these flowers and bring those in the middle and place them around with these leaves. Okay, we're going to duplicate some of the leaves so that we have a lot of fill in here. Let's bring this little flower in. I'm going to duplicate this flower. Turn that. All right, how about this guy? Duplicate him. Bring it in and move it wherever you want it. And our leaves, we're just, like I said, we are just putting them wherever. And I'm going to flip that one horizontal so it's facing the other direction. Let's go there. Let's go here. Alrighty. And once this looks the way you want it to, what you are going to do is select everything. You're going to download this. And I'm going to download it with a transparent background. No, I'm not. I'm just going to download it the way it is. And I'm going to put it in my work in progress and just name this Floral Seamless. Right. And then I'm going to come down here and I'm going to add a new page, and I am going to grab that Floral Seamless that we just downloaded, okay, and I'm going to pop it up here in the corner, and I am going to resize it till it is exactly 1/4 of the page. Then we're going to duplicate it, and we're going to put it there. And we're going to duplicate this and put that there. And now you have your seamless pattern. Okay, and you can do this a few times if you want to make it even smaller. Here we can do this now. Let's download page 2. We don't want all of them. We want page 2. Can download this now. Floral pattern 2. We'll come down here to this page, grab that we just downloaded again, bring that up here to the corner, resize it until it is 1/4 of the page, duplicate it, and repeat the process if you want your pattern to be even smaller. Okay, so that is how you make a seamless pattern using Canva. This is a real quick video. I hope you guys found it helpful. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to let me know in the comments.